Can you get a J-1 waiver approved if you have government funding or Fulbright funding? And in this video, we're going to talk about the processing times, what arguments we were used to get it approved, so you will want to stay tuned to watch this video. Hi, my name is Ranchod. I'm an immigration attorney that's been practicing for over 20 years, and let's look at how we recently got a J-1 waiver approved with Fulbright funding. Fulbright J-1 waivers are some of the most difficult J-1 waiver cases to get approved. Now, before we deep dive into the arguments we made, let's look at the processing times to give you an idea of the amount of time this case took to get approved. Here we filed with USCIS and Department of State on September 12th, 2022. Then Department of State processed the cases received on October 22nd, 2022. And then Department of State processed the I-613 from USCIS on October 26, 2023. So you'll see it took USCIS about 11 months to issue the I-613. Then Department of State issued a favorable recommendation on June 13th, 2024. USCIS finally approved the case on July 12th, 2024. Here you'll see the case took a little less than 2 years to get approved, which is actually fast, believe it or not. Fulbright cases can take longer than a normal J-1 waiver case because it might take a little bit more time for the sponsor reviews to be issued, which delays the Department of State processing. Now let's look into the nitty-gritty details of how we were able to get this case approved. So here our J-1 waiver applicant was from Ukraine. One of the core forms of hardship was the hardship that the U.S. citizen daughter would face if she was forced to relocate to Ukraine. The primary care physician for the J-1 daughter was able to provide strong letters of support explaining the severe risks that relocation would cause to the daughter's health. Not only that, but the J-1's daughter had never been out of the United States. And of course, recently, no one who's from Ukraine wants to return to Ukraine with the Ukraine and Russia war that's taking place. Which leads to our next argument that we made was the fact that Department of State has issued a level 4 warning of do not travel to the Ukraine. So it's very important not to just make these assertions, but to back it up with evidence. And it's very important to back whatever assertions you make with evidence. Going back to Ukraine could have led to her death. And that's what made this case also so rewarding, is because we know that this case had a serious impact on our client's family's life, which makes the work that we do so meaningful, and we're so grateful to be able to have the impact that we do for many of our clients. In the end, of course, the result was that the family was able to stay together, and that is in alignment with our mission of unification. So the U.S. citizen daughter did not have to go to Ukraine, and we were able to get the waiver approved. I hope this video serves you. And by watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Make sure you subscribe to get these updates. Leave a comment below if this video is helpful or if you have a question. And bye for now.